Hello. Welcome back with yet another cool video. Today we will show you the best location app. Zenly. Since you're giving up check-ins and telling your friends where you are, a French startup is coming up with better technology, and it will make location cool again. Teenagers are now getting addicted to Zenly's location-based app, which it has quietly been working on for years. Zenly couldn't be easier to use. The app opens with a giant map, showing your location and your friends' locations. It shows you exactly where your friends are, if you tap on their picture. If you don't want to look for your friends, just run aimlessly. That's the core of Zenly. Despite being well-designed, Zenly is addictive. It all starts with location. The Zenly algorithm is rock-solid, efficient, and accurate. The app tries to figure out a user's address. Zenly won't drain your battery either. It didn't even make the top 10 of battery killers for the past 7 days. It ate up only 3%. About 1 million people have signed up for Zenly. Around 340,000 people use it every month, and 80,000 use it every day. And the numbers are growing. A successful start for a company that isn't big yet. Both iPhones and Androids can use Zenly. The way to use the app is very simple. Follow our steps to install and usage the Zenly app. Step 1. Sign up for the Zenly app. The first thing you have to do is install Zenly on your phone. It's available on Google Play. You have to register the first time you use it. Open the app, then tap the Create Account and Accept option. Just type your name and click the arrow to continue. Second step. Confirm your registration. You'll get a new interface. You'll need to put your date of birth and phone number in. Make sure you put the right one. You'll get a confirmation code on the phone. Enter the code once you get it. Now you're registered. Now you've changed the same settings and added more info. The third step. Add friends. In this step, you'll see your friend and family list by clicking on Choose Some Friends. Pick your friends and add them. If your friend has Zenly, you can add them. You can invite them to Zenly, if they're not on Zenly. Tap the arrow after selecting. The fourth step. Find your friend on the map. You'll see the map now. People who accept your invitation will show up on the map. Look at your profile icon. The icon lets you look at your profile, access the settings, turn on anonymous mode, which looks like a ghost, and add friends. Step 5. View your friends on the app. Tap plus button at the bottom of your phone screen to get to your friends list. Click a friend's name to see where they are. And if you have more than one contact, you can make a best friend list. The list makes it easier to find out where your friends are. Adding your family member is also a great idea. You can see the location of your kids or wife on the map. Sixth step. Interact with your friends. Tap a friend's location to find out where they are. With the app, you can send messages, photos, stickers, and track their location. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Like and share the videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon.